So Kyle, what would you like people to take away from the program?
Well, we purposely designed this program not to just be somebody talking at you the whole time, but you're being in an environment with people that are really, really smart and capable in different areas to work together to solve your problem. So everyone's working on different angles of this, and they're interested both from their personal side of why they're attending this and why they're concerned about this thing, and also seeing the opportunity, and also having that pressure tested both from the people on stage. And we're also building very specific workshops within the time so that you can take the learnings that are happening on stage and with each other and then apply them and build them out in frameworks. So we have this AI canvas that we've been developing, which I'm really excited about, to really allow for that scaffolding. You know, it's not going to build the entire house, but it is going to create a scaffold that then you can start to populate and build on top of. So it's this combination of both really smart people on stage learning in real time and trying new things and experiencing it, but then also the workshop time. So you can actually leave with something that feels and is tangible that you can then start to apply on Monday when you go back to work.